a coach, an entrepreneur, or have a hobby that you're passionate about, and you want to sell something, you want to make money off of that online, but you don't have a product. In this video, we're going to create a product from scratch. We're going to get 10 different product ideas, and we're going to find the ideal perfect customer that wants to buy that product using AI directly in LeadScripts. Let's go. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe below, hit the thumbs up, hit the notifications. Most people won't. Most people don't do things and they don't succeed. You know, you have to be different than everybody else. Hit the subscribe. Let's go. The first thing we're going to do is log into LeadScripts and go to chat. And I just typed in, give me 10 ideas for products for coaches trying to get new leads. And I'm using Oscar. You can choose Oscar or chatgpt. And I'm looking at the list and I have a list of 10 things I can use. And now I know it's for finance. I'm using financial coach as an example. So this is a financial product. Who can I target as a customer? And this is going to tell me what are the options I have here. And what I like so far is I like that I'm going to use a lead magnet because that's the easiest way to get leads. And I like number 3, college students and recent graduates. And now we're going to write 10 ideas for a lead magnet for this product that is aimed at college students who want to learn how to budget and save money. And I took that directly from what was returned above. Now we're going to hit the submit button and we're going to get 10 ideas for these lead magnets. We don't even have to come up with it. And these are pretty great. I grabbed what I liked and I put it in a sheet so it's easy for me to just copy and paste and use in the future in LeadScripts. Now that we have all this information, we can click on LeadScripts, create new product, add product, and now we can just copy and paste everything that we just collected and put it in here. Now don't worry too much about your product URL if you don't have the funnel built yet, or the company URL, company name, support, email. That's all. You can add that later, but you need to put something in there now. So what we do here is it's automatically filled with your ideal customer is and what they want to do, and now we're creating your ideal customer persona so you can really get an idea what this person looks like that you're targeting. And LeadScripts will have this information so that all the scripts you create are very highly targeted for that product and that customer. And I'm looking at these, and you could go in here and change these and like simplify them a little bit, but I'm just going to keep them as they are for now. I mean, these are the customer struggles and fears, and this gives us an idea of, you know, how the language to use when we're speaking to them. And the desires and the dreams, these all look really good to me right out of the gate. And now you have everything you need so you can start building your lead magnet and LeadScripts and all the other scripts. Now, one thing I noticed here is customer locations. It looks a little ugly for me, so I'm just going to clean these up quick. It doesn't matter too much. At this point, these are more for you to understand where these people are hanging out, but like the scripts could use these, so it's good to, you know, just massage the more garbage in, garbage out. You know, we're using AI, we're using built-in marketing strategies, but the better and the most massage, the better the data, the better result. Click next and you're ready to go. You can create marketing plans, the lead magnet, and all your scripts based on that product and customer persona. Okay, now you've seen how easy it is to use AI and use LeadScripts specifically to build a product from scratch, like to get those ideas. And this is really just tipping of the iceberg right here. Like you're only seeing this top part. Remember, all the value is in the bottom, and you've just got to the surface. You know, there's so much down there now. You have your marketing plans. You can just choose any of those you want. You can create the lead magnet in LeadScripts. You can create the email series. You can create the social posts, and you can just keep doing this. Thomas Edison said the greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to try one more time. Let's not give up. Keep going. You can continue to create products every day if you want. Set a goal and never quit. Be sure you subscribe below. Get on the email list because we got some great courses coming up that's going to walk you through step by step what you need to do so that whatever you want in life, if you want a new car, if you want to go on a dream vacation, maybe you just want a set of golf clubs. I mean, I love golf. There's a price for that. And if you create your own product, then the price is zero because you create that product and now you're generating income and it's going to pay for it. Hit subscribe. I'm Craig from LeadScripts and I'll catch you next time.